Alright, so in this video, we'll try to read a file um, containing a two-column data. Sometimes these are the kind of data that we need to read and do some data analysis. Okay? This is just very basic. And for this video, we'll not be using any other modules except from the built-in functions in Python. Of course, the other modules or libraries that we can use, such as data frames or pandas or numpys, the, um, they are actually more optimized and more easy to use than the one that I'm going to show to you guys. Right? But this is a good challenge. Without the use of other libraries, you'll be able to read data files containing tuple data. Okay. Alright, let's do this. So the first cell will just generate the files that we need. Okay. So as you can see, there are no test file.txt here in my Explorer. And if I refresh this one, I have this test file.txt, and we have a two-column data like this, and we have to read this file. In the previous video, in reading, we used a loop to read the data. We'll be using the same thing. Okay. Another form of this opening and closing the file is with the use of the with function. Okay. And as handle storage, we can use this one. And we want to save the first column as x, so x series, and then the second one is a y series data. And we have to go through each line. Okay. So what we need to do now is, again, we need to do a loop. Similar to what we did a while ago. Okay. So for each line that we're going to read, there's a space between the two, right? So in one of our videos, we were able to split that string into, or separate them using split function. Okay. So we'll use a different strategy. So we can use actually a loop when a data is actually read using the open function. Okay, they are actually like stored as an array. Okay, so each line is one element. So we can use this one. I mean, for each line inside a file. So for line and handle it into that. So it will go through each line, and then we'll try to split up that line. Okay. We have that point for our xy, and then try to split it up. By default, it's a space, and then we just need to append the converted value float point. The first one is for the x, and then we can just copy and paste this one. The second one is for the y. Okay, and then now we can just print our x's and y-s, and it should be. Okay, so the first array here is the x series. The second array is for the y.